Hello students, welcome to our Kevin Algonda YouTube channel. Today we are going to study class 5th mathematics, chapter 2nd, named shapes and angles. In our previous videos we learnt about different types of shapes and types of lines. Now in our today's video we will learn about the different types of angles. Now let's start our today's class. First we learn what is an angle. An angle is a combination of two rays with a common endpoint. An angle is represented by the symbol angle. Now here this is an angle, and here this ray 1 and ray 2, and here the one common endpoint is there. This common endpoint is known as vertex. In हिंदी कोण, एंगल को हिंदी में कहते हैं कोण. कोण क्या होता है? एक ही बिंदु से निकलने वाले दो रेखाओं के झुकाव को कोण कहते हैं. Now angles are measured in degree using a protractor. Now parts of an angle. First, arms. The two rays joining to form an angle are called arms of an angle. Here OA and OB are the arms of angle AOB. And vertex, the common endpoint at which the two rays meet to form an angle, is called the vertex. Here the point O is the vertex of angle AOB. Now look here, in this shape, this OA is one arm and this OB is another arm of angle, and these arms are two rays, and this point O is our vertex. Now types of angles. Angles can be classified on the basis of their measurements. Now first, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. और अगर हिंदी में बात करें कि टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स के हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं एंगल्स को, तो एक्यूट एंगल को हम न्यून कोण कहते हैं, राइट एंगल को समकोण कहते हैं, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल को अधिक कोण कहते हैं, एंड स्ट्रेट एंगल को ऋजु कोण कहते हैं, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल बृहत कोण और कंप्लीट एंगल को समकोण कोण कहते हैं. तो चलिए अब एक एक करके एंगल्स के बारे में जानते हैं. नाउ acute angle. What is an acute angle? Acute angle is an angle measuring between 0 and 90 degree. In other words, we can say the angles between 0 to 90 degree are known as acute angle. Here some examples of acute angle: 18 degree angle, 45 degree, 33 degree, 88 degree, 22.5 and 7 degree. All these are the examples of acute angle. Now examples of acute angles are letters A, K, M, N, R, V, W, X and Z. Scissors, divider, compass, pencil point, etc. are the examples of acute angle. Now some more examples of acute angle related to our daily life. Now, like a pizza piece, a scissors, and an angle between the hands of the clock, angle between two rods, and etc. are the examples of acute angle. Now next, right angle. What is an right angle? When an angle measuring 90 degree, it is called right angle. Means a 90 degree angle is known as right angle. Here these two are examples of right angles. Means 90 degree angle. Now some examples of right angles. Corner of room, book, chessboard, and our English letters E, F, H, I, L, T, and badminton court, hockey field, lawn tennis court. These all are the examples of right angle. Now some real life examples means corners of our window and chairs, hands of the clock, opening style of our laptop, and joining of two roads or more roads. Now obtuse angle. When an angle measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Means जब एक एंगल 90 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होता है बट 180 डिग्री यानी 180 डिग्री से कम होता है तो उसे हम कहते हैं obtuse angle. Here are the some examples of the obtuse angle: 135 degree angle, 93 degree angle, 174 degree angle, 117.8 degree angle, 110 degree angle, and 157 degree angles. These all are the examples of acute angle. Now some real life examples of acute angles: blades of ceiling fan, clock showing 8 o'clock, and another times of the this angle made with the hands of the clock, angles between our stairs, and many more. What is a next straight angle? What is a straight angle? 180 degree angle is called straight angle. Here you can see these all angles are 180 degree angles and these all are straight angle. Now next, reflex angle. What is a reflex angle? A reflex angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. In other words, we can say angles measuring between 100 to 360 degree are known as reflex angle. Here is the some examples of reflex angle: 244 degree angle, 248 degree angle, 255 degree angle, 266 degree, and 192 degree. These all are the examples of reflex angle. Now next, complete angle. 360 degree angle is called complete or whole angle. Here this is a complete angle. Now once again we learned about all the angles, types of angle and descriptions and example. Acute angle, an angle that is less than 90 degree, means angles between 0 to 90 degree are called acute angle. Example: 46 degree, 50 degree, 78 degree, 89 degree, and many more. Next, right angle. An angle that is exactly 90 degree is called right angle, means a 90 degree angle is known as right angle. Next, obtuse angle. An angle that is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. In other words, we can say angles more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree are known as obtuse angle. Now examples: 130 degree, 120 degree, 91 degree angle, 179 degree angle. All these are the examples of obtuse angle. Now straight angle. An angle that is exactly 180 degree, means 180 degree angle is known as straight angle. Next, reflex angle. An angle that is greater than 180 and less than 360. In other words, we can say angle more than 100 degree and less than 360 degree, means angles between 100 to 360 degree, angles between 180 degree to 360 degree are known as reflex angle. Now what is full angle or complete angle? An angle that is exactly 360 degree is known as complete angle. Thank you all of you.